All right, y'all, just a little quick video here, just to show off a product. And again, as you heard me say in a previous video, I'm definitely not a mechanic. I'm an IT guy, but I do like to tinker around with stuff. And actually, I said in that video as well, I replaced a water pump on my 2013 Ford F150 last week. Vehicle's 12 years old, 2013, so it's 2025. And as I was working on it, I remembered that it was 2019 when my water pump started leaking before, and I had somebody else do it, and now here it's 6 years again. So I guess those water pumps last year every 6 years. Anyway, like I said, I had somebody else do it last time, and so I figured, I'll take a stab at it this time. Get under there, and I wish I still had those because I did this last week. I might can show it to you because it might be on the truck. But anyway, this was 4 bolts, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Got my 10mm socket on there. I got a battery powered rigid ratchet, so that really helped. Got those out. But the 2 that were on the bottom, I could never seem to get a grip. You could barely see them from the top, but if you feel around, you can kind of get on top of it. But it seemed like my socket kept slipping off. I said, I bet those bolts are messed up. Those heads are probably rounded. And sure enough, they were messed up. So now I'm frustrated. I'm like, how am I going to get these things out? Well, this right here is how you get them out. I did some searching online for how to get bolts out, and I saw a video where somebody was saying, get you a bolt extraction set. And man, this works wonders. I'm talking about it came out so easy. So now I'm gonna say there's a difference in the metric and the SAE. So I found this at the parts store first, and it's supposed to be kind of universal. So you can see you got 3/8, you got 7/16, which is the same as 11, and so on, all the way up to 16mm. So I said, okay, well maybe I can use it 3/8 for my 10mm. Nah. So I went did some Googling for a set that was specific for metric. And Harbor Freight had one. They were the only people I saw in my city that had a set that was just for metric. Rode up to Harbor Freight and grabbed this Quinn 3/8" drive bolt extractor set. And as you can see, it's all metric. This is 8 and goes all the way up to 19. So I put on my 10mm, and I promise you, within like 5 seconds, bolt was loose. Literally 5 seconds. If you ever get you a situation where you got bolts stuck, or the heads are rounded to where your sockets can't grip them, can't bite them, get you this bolt extractor set. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm glad I got one of these in my toolbox now. Oh my goodness, what a lifesaver. I'll try to get the link to it and put it in the description when I post this video, but get you a bolt extractor set. It is definitely a lifesaver. All right, till next time, later.